About to begin. This is our beginnings. This is what we're starting with. We got a rookie over here about to show me how to do the work.
Hey loves, it's your girl Leek back with another video, and we are making the basement, the Smith Cave. My husband and my son did their big one with this, starting off with the framing. Yes, you'll see our dog, our little baby Chewbacca in there. He's always involved. And then my husband showed my son how to do lighting. They got the lights all up, so we was able to get that going. I was really excited. So we did can lighting, as you can see. This was a big debate because I wanted dimming lights right there, and he allowed me to get dimming lights. Bathroom, another big debate. He just wanted a toilet and a sink, and I was like, can we please make it a whole bathroom? And of course he said yes. So after the plumbing was done, they got the walls up with the drywall for the bathroom. Then they turned around. We then went to Lowe's, got some beautiful towel for the shower after they mud and tape. Started to do the towel for the shower. When I say beautiful, beautiful. See how that came out? Now it's time for new installation. So as you can tell, I was pretty excited because installation means that we're getting there. It's moving along, and everything that's happened through these last 2 years, I will say installation time. Seeing it come together and finally getting to installation and getting things done, we're just excited because life has really been something these last 2 years. But I know they're looking down on us, proud. Those are our angels. So we're starting with drywall now, y'all. Drywall, yes. Starting in Jeremiah's closet, working our way out to his room, and then all the way out to the basement. I do help, see, for those who think that I'm just holding the camera. I don't always record myself or put myself in it, but I am there. Not just holding the camera. Or making Jeremiah dance, for that matter. But we're excited, getting the things done. Getting all that drywall up, and it's a lot of drywall. A lot of drywall. Moving on out. And of course, Chewy's always there. Always. We're not getting no work done without Chewy being there, okay? Chewbacca's always present. Now, I love these posts. My husband said, let's go ahead and hide these metal posts. And he was right. It looks amazing as posts. And just doing an overview of all the drywall. Looking good. This is after we mudded, taped, and sanded all the walls. Y'all, and don't forget we had to get all that dust up too so we could see and breathe. And now it's time for painting. So we did this, I think it's gray, but love it. We have it upstairs too, so went ahead and used that. That's all the painting done. Love how it looks. We've already started some of the flooring in the bathroom. My husband's going to do it, start it in the bathroom and come on out from there. Time for that ceiling paint. We did Drywall black, and it was kind of tricky. You definitely need to have a separate light, mainly because we covered the light, so obviously there wouldn't be any paint that sprayed into the light. And because of that, plus black paint, it gets really dark. But we did have paper to clean up easily, and now it's time for the flooring. Look at that man. That's my husband, y'all. He know what he doing. So that's just showing you how he just tapped them in place. But y'all, look at this beautiful floor. Now we went with the same floor that we did upstairs in the first floor that we fell in love with our first home that he also installed. But we just love this flooring. He does what he does. I am so grateful, y'all. My husband. So he's putting in the doors as we speak. Gonna install those and paint them. Then there's the wet bar, okay? Love the wet bar. Yes, he did all of that. You see him sawing in the sink. That's the outcome of that. And finally, here's the Smith Cave. I want to thank y'all for watching. This was a long time coming. I'm so happy of how the basement turned out. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Just don't forget to get Jeremiah room. A little quick view. But don't forget to stay tuned for the things that we do to our basement. Got some more videos coming soon. Thank y'all for watching. Next time, bye.